Over the past 30 years, United Airlines has been one of the world's largest operators of the Boeing 757. First delivered to the airline in 1989, the type grew in dominance across United's domestic and international networks and could be found on many of the airline's routes. In total, some 160 Boeing 757s have been operated by United since 1989. However, the 757 is the oldest type in United Airlines' fleet, and the number of active examples has been declining steadily over the past 5 years. Today, only around 55 examples are still active in United's fleet, with many having been retired or scrapped. Of this active number, the fleet is split between both the 757-200 and the stretched 300 model, with United being the world's largest operator of the latter at 20 examples. Many of United's Boeing 757s, including the entire 757-300 fleet, were acquired following the merger with Continental Airlines in 2010. These younger airframes are what make up the active 757 fleet today. With much of United's 757 aircraft now aged between 25 and 30 years old, the carrier has been actively pursuing modern replacements, despite the popularity and reliability of the aging type. The Airbus A321neo and XLR has been selected as a Boeing 757 replacement, and United has already been taking delivery of these modern, capable aircraft, which offer better fuel economy and passenger comfort. But where can you see a United 757 today? If you want to see or fly on a United Airlines Boeing 757, you'll find them based at the airline's main hubs, including Newark Liberty International, Denver International, and Washington Dulles. They are used on domestic services across the country, as well as some routes to European and South America, showing the 757's suitability to a variety of roles. Additionally, United's Boeing 757-300 fleet is based mostly at Chicago O'Hare and Denver International airports, flying exclusively on domestic routes across America. United has tentatively planned the end of 2025 as the retirement date for its Boeing 757 fleet, but time will tell whether this proves to be the case. What are your memories of United Airlines Boeing 757s? Did you ever fly on one? Have you seen one recently? Share your thoughts and leave a comment below. And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Airport Spotting is your go-to resource for aviation enthusiasts. We publish articles and inspiration every week to take your interest further. If you're looking for the latest news, articles, and inspiration, head over to airportspotting.com.